My name is Niall Maloney and this is my environmental project. After giving the brief, my initial thoughts were that how am I going to do this, or it left me overwhelmed. But then when I broke out the keywords, I was more confident. Keywords like fresh water, water consumption, reduction in the consumption of water. Then I said to myself, why would we want to conserve water? Because water is a very important aspect in our life. I researched the word freshwater and I now understand what freshwater means and why it is so precious. So for my research, I asked my housemates to time themselves using these water consumption stations daily for 3 weeks. This box represents the average results of their usage per week. The above box represents the information I got online relevant to each station. I used these together and calculated the results of each usage. I then used the results to tell what can we improve on our house. I then concluded that we can improve in the shower and the bathrooms. I looked into the consumption of water in the shower. I looked into the function of a shower and what leads to overconsumption of water in the shower. After this, I have understood that the water usage in our house is acceptable but could be looked to be improved on. I also investigated the consumption of water in the bathroom sink. I did research, looked at the function of the sink and also what leads to overconsumption of water in the bathroom sink. In the image gallery I represented some great ideas that help water consumption, like hospitality motion sensor faucets, garden hose gun, Caroma Profile Smart 305, and for my market explanation I looked at great ideas like cistern displacement device, 4-minute shower timer, regulated shower head and water dispenser. These all show and demonstrate great uses of water consumption ideas. We had 3 ideas. One was an ultrasonic sensor in a shower, and when a person showers for over 3 minutes, a buzzer will go off and then this will encourage the person to leave. My second idea was when a person puts their toothbrush under the sink, the ultrasonic sensor will detect this and tap and only squirt water on it. But then I thought this was too complicated as the ultrasonic sensor could sense something else. Then for idea 3, I decided that you could use 2 buttons, one for 10 seconds, one for 2 seconds, and that water will pour out whenever you press each button. This is my idea. As you can see, you have a piece that turns the tap, another piece for linkage, and the base that connects all the pieces together, another piece for linkage to the 2 buttons, and also a container which holds pico boards and any other material required. This is part 1 and this will go around the tap. This is part 2 and this is basically what connects everything together, kind of a base. This is a button that when you press it, the water will turn on for 2 seconds. This is a button and when you press it, the water will turn on for 10 seconds. This is a part that connects the buttons to the base. There's extra holes here provided if needed when wires are connected. This part is used to connect the base and the part that moves the tap. This item is a box where the pico can be kept and other usages. This is the plan, elevation and end view and another view of my environmental project. Here are some views of my project. Here are some more views to give you more of an idea of my project. This is my code. I define what is what at the start of the code. Then I give instructions to turn it when a button is pressed. The tap turns for 2 seconds, and when the other button is pressed, then the tap turns for 10 seconds and turns back. This is my circuit diagram on Circuit Wizard, how I think this project will. The bottom part will go around the sink tap, and then the buttons will control whether it goes around for 2 seconds or 10 seconds, whether the button you press. The grey box will hold items such as the micro, and other things. This House is a very good product and will be cost effective, easy to install and easy to use. Bibliography. Thanks for listening and